When you're on your way home after a long day, the drive-thru starts calling your name. But what if you did not have to choose between what's good for you and what tastes good to you? And what if you could make it in no time at all? Thanks to technology, finding ways to stay healthy is only becoming easier in this era of time crunches and multitasking. And I'm going to talk to you about air fryers. There is a special surprise for you about the air fryer, so keep watching till the end so you do not miss the surprise. Air fryers are sweeping the nation, but what is so special about air fryers? Hi, my name is Remy. I make lots of air fryer recipes and I'm going to share a few of the food recipes that I made in my air fryer today in this video. So keep watching, and there are a lot of other information that I would like to share with you about the air fryer. So before I share special recipes that you can make in air fryer, so what is an air fryer? Air fryer is a small compact size replica of your convection oven. Yes, convection oven are huge, it has a big capacity, and these are small like this. You can see it sits beautifully on the kitchen counter like this. The air fryer uses convection technology. So the food is held inside the basket. Here you place the food on the basket and this is how it looks. It is detachable and we don't put any food here in this tray. It's just for placing this, and it catches the oil. If we add oil or oil from the meat or the chicken, it catches the grease in this. So we don't place anything on this thing and we place the food here. So there is a coil and a fan inside on the top part of this. So the coil heats up and the fan blows the heat all around the food. You are not frying your food, it is a lot more than frying. It does baking, roasting, grilling, and you can cook anything in this. Even I air fried ice cream in this. I'm going to share so special about air fryer is it makes the perfect crispy crunchy food which is air fryer and made in just a tablespoon oil, and we don't have to use cups and cups of oil that we use in deep frying. So that is the best thing I like about air fryer, and I'm going to share a lot of food photos in the coming clips right now so you can see how the food looks. I usually share a lot of air fryer recipes with a lot of people. So most common question that I normally get is, should I purchase an air fryer? Does the food really taste good? So my answer is yes, definitely you should buy an air fryer. So there is a lot of variety of air fryers available in the market. So ranging from a product that is less than $50 to a product that is more than $400. So this one that I have is small, cheap and best. I'm using this for last 3.5 years and it is the best because it is durable. There is no complaint till now. I'm using it very nicely. And yes, you need to take care of your air fryer. After every cooking, you need to clean it. There are so many varieties of air fryers available in the market. One that comes like this is an egg-shaped air fryer. Then there is toaster oven style air fryers, and there is one that comes with the stove. Air fryer that is inbuilt with the stove. So it depends upon our usage, like how many people we are making for. For a normal family of 4 to 5, the best is 6 quart. Don't go for lesser size, because if you want to make a whole rotisserie chicken, the 6 quart is the best. It just completely fits on it. Cooking for 2 or 3, the best is 6 quart. That is medium, not too small, not too big. And if you have a big capacity air fryer that is inbuilt with the stove, then there is one thing that you have to always look at it is you have to preheat the oven before placing your food inside it. But while cooking in this small compact size air fryer, I never preheat the air fryer. Just place the food. For example, I'm making an egg toast. I will just place the bread and the egg on it, and I'll place it on it and set it at 5 minutes. And the perfect crunchy crispy egg toast is ready. That's how I make it. So I love this air fryer that sits beautifully on the countertop, and it is very easy to use. Sharing few recipe ideas that you can make in your air fryer. These are perfect crispy and crunchy chickpea, eggs in pepper cups, and this is the final result. And this is salmon baked in air fryer, blackened salmon, another nice recipe. Baby potatoes roasted in air fryer, garnished with cilantro and parmesan. baked and roasted potatoes, which hardly takes less than 15 minutes. And this is one of the best combo that I made. Roasted potatoes, corn on the cob, broccoli and shrimp. Each bite of this recipe is flavorful. This is hot and spice cashews, eggs and puff pastry. We can make 5-minute sandwich in air fryer, hash browns in air fryer, corn on the cob, which is buttery. This is pizza bites, zucchini pizza bites and chicken drumsticks. Air fried sausages, no spills or splatters. And here, baked and roasted potatoes, garlic butter chicken, cookies in air fryer, very easy to make. Frozen food, very easy to cook. This is jalapeno popper bites with puff. Super easy, just 2 jalapenos and you get so many quantities. It has a nice flavor of spice, and this is another next level recipe, banana in a French toast. This is a cutlet or a veg patty which is filled with lot of vegetables. It has potato, beetroots, green beans, tomatoes and lot of other things in it. This is egg muffins or egg bites which has spinach, bell peppers and lot of other things. And this is plantain chips. We can dehydrate also. Banana bread. We can bake nice breads. Shrimp. Eggs in a toast. One of the ultimate recipe that I made. It took less than 10 minutes. Rotisserie chicken. Each bite of this chicken is full of flavor. Very easy to make. Garlic bread toast. Fish recipe. Ultimate fish recipe. It won't smell your house. You can make the best fish in air fryer. This is biscuit. Homemade French fries, and the best part is it is made with just 1 tablespoon oil. Fresh and very tasty. Meatballs with potatoes and baked bread chicken in air fryer. Honey baked salmon. I'm sure you are enjoying all the food clips that I shared with you. So these many recipes we can make in our air fryer very easily. So air fryer is basically good for cooking, baking, roasting, grilling. You can roast the best veggies here. You can make the best steaks here. Then you can make the best rotisserie chicken. I made recently tandoori spice chicken and that was so delicious. Normally what happens is when you're doing the rotisserie, the outer layers get nice golden and crispier, but what happens inside, the meat doesn't taste, it doesn't have any flavor. It's all that white. It's cooked but it is not that flavorful. Only the top gets flavor. I will share it in the Remy's Kitchen Facebook page where you can go and see how to make a flavorful rotisserie chicken. I've created a Facebook page with the name Remy's Kitchen. So I will mention it here in the description, you can see. Also, if you would like to see more recipes from me, you can go and follow the page. Let me tell you one special thing about air fryer. You can make the best air fried hard eggs in it, and which is very easy to peel. And the best thing is it can be done without using water. Yes, the air fryer eggs won't explode inside the basket. No. There will not be any spill and you will get the perfect air fried hard eggs in your air fryer. I'm going to share that technique in this coming clip. Now let's see how to air fry hard eggs. Place the eggs in the air fry basket, or if you have a toaster oven style air fryer, place it on the tray. There is no water in the basket. Now set the temperature at 260°F for 15 minutes. We don't have to open the basket in between, just let it air fry till 15 minutes. Open the basket and place the eggs in cold water. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Now it's ready to be peeled, and you can see how easily the peels come off. You can put as many eggs you want, or it depends upon the capacity of the air fryer, how much it can have. So look how easily the shells are coming off. Isn't it great? What a wonderful way to use your one kitchen gadget and that it does all the job. I sprinkled some salt, black pepper and red chili powder before serving, and look how gorgeous they look. Hope this video is helpful and it gives an idea why air fryers are so special and why there is so much of hype and buzz around the world about air fryers. So the question is, do you really need an air fryer? It depends upon you. Do you want the food to cook faster? Do you want healthy food that cooks in less than a tablespoon of oil? You want less consumption? A device in your kitchen? Then this is the answer. Yes, air fryer is necessary and it is an important kitchen gadget that cooks food very fast without waiting for preheating or taking a longer time. I cook most of my recipes in this, meals in this, in less than 15 minutes. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you found these incredible recipe photos that I shared with you interesting, and this helps you in understanding how special air fryers are. If you have air fryers in your house and still in the box, it's time to take it out and start air frying. Enjoy your air fry. Bye bye. Thank you.